Hi friends, to find the larger number, let's factorize the number 12 and 18. 12 is 2 into 2 into 3 raised to the power 150. 18 is 2 into 3 into 3 raised to the power 100. So we can also write this as 2 square into 3 raised to the power 150, and here 2 into 3 square raised to the power 100. Remember, a into b raised to the power n will be equal to a raised to the power n into b raised to the power n. So expanding this will become 2 square raised to the power 150 into 3 raised to the power 150. Similarly, 2 raised to the power 100 into 3 square raised to the power 100. In 2 square raised to the power 150, simply multiply 2 and 150, and here also 2 and 100 will get multiplied. So you get 2 raised to the power 300 into 3 raised to the power 150 and 2 raised to the power 100 into 3 raised to the power 200. Power of 2 is greater in this number and power of 3 is greater in this number. Now to compare easily, simply divide 12 raised to the power 150 and 18 raised to the power 100. This will become 2 raised to the power 300 into 3 raised to the power 150 divided by 2 raised to the power 100 into 3 raised to the power 200. This will become 2 raised to the power 300 minus 100, and in denominator 3 raised to the power 200 minus 150. You get 2 raised to the power 200 divided by 3 raised to the power 50. Still we cannot give a clear answer. Let's break it down further. Let's write 2 raised to the power 200 as 2 raised to the power 4 into 50 and 3 raised to the power 50. This will become 16 raised to the power 50 divided by 3 raised to the power 50, or we can write 16 divided by 3 raised to the power 50. 16 divided by 3 is 5 point something. So this number will always be greater than 1. Therefore, this will give 12 raised to the power 150 greater than 18 raised to the power 100. For more such videos, please subscribe to our channel.